When two lovers meet, so the legends tell, songbirds sing beneath the spell. I know it's true, don't you see? Because one night it happened to me. That certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, poor sad moon, he wore a frown. How could he know we were so in love? The whole darn world seemed upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said goodnight, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. And like an echo far away, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square.
I hope you enjoyed this song. My mother loved to sing, and I really am having a lot of fun remixing some of her favorites. If you're enjoying these songs, would you please give me a like and hopefully subscribe to the channel? It really does help with the algorithm. Again, thank you for listening, and I hope you're having a wonderful day.